Communicable diseases are diseases that can spread between organisms and they're caused by pathogens. These are microorganisms that can invade and harm the body. There are 4 types of pathogens that you need to know about. The first are bacteria, which are very small living cells that can reproduce rapidly inside your body. They produce toxins, which are poisons that make a person feel ill. The second pathogen are viruses, which are much smaller than bacteria and are not classified as cells. When they enter the body, they invade and reproduce inside body cells. Once the cell is full of viruses, it bursts and releases the copies, which are then free to attack other cells. The damage this causes to your cells during this process is what makes you feel unwell when you're infected with the virus. The third type of pathogens are protists, which are single-celled eukaryotes. These are considered to be parasites, which means they live on or inside other organisms and can cause them harm as they take nutrients from them. They're usually transferred between organisms by a vector. This is just an organism that transfers the protist from one organism to another without getting the disease itself. So for example, mosquitoes are vectors that transfer the protist responsible for malaria from one person to another when they bite them, but they never get the disease themselves when they're transferring it. The final type of pathogen are fungi, which can be both single-celled or multi-celled. Multi-celled fungi have a body made of hyphae, which are structures that can cause infections by penetrating human skin or plant surfaces. These hyphae can produce spores which fungi spread to other plants and animals. Okay, now let's try a quiz on this topic. See how many questions you can get right. If you liked that video and want to see more, remember to subscribe to Flash Revision Lab to get notified every time we release new content.